In this introduction to invoicing and quotes, we're going to create a group of product items for a customer that can be sent to him as a quote or an invoice. We already have a set of products loaded into OneBiz app that we can use to create these line items. So go into Customer Product and click on Items, Quotes, Invoices. Now click on New Group. You can create a group from scratch or from a template that's already been created for you. Here we are creating a blank item list. Give it a title and a description. To add items, click on the Add a Product window. As you type, you'll see a list of products that match. Simply add the line items you want. This will create line items for your invoice or quote. To add an item that's not a product, click on Add Blank Item. Fill out the title and description along with units and price. The total price at the top will reflect the price ex VAT for your customer. Once the line items are complete, click on Mail Merge. Select Quote or Invoice, the contact to receive the quote, and then Create Document. The quote, in this case, is created and can be sent to the customer. Returning to the project, you can now see that the email and the PDF attachment, which was the quote itself. There are two layouts for looking at line items, the form view, which we've been using, and the grid layout. Grid layout gives you a few more advanced options. We have added items that exist in the products list, and now if you click on Add Blank Item, you can add items that aren't actually products. Fill in its title and description, and it'll be included as a line item. Remember, this isn't a product yet, it's just a line item on your quote. Add a price and quantity, and you're ready to send your quote. Although this item isn't a product, you can make it one by clicking on the Create Product button. Click on the button and you'll be warned to ensure this is a new product. If it is, click OK, and a new product is created from this line item. If we now go into the product list and refresh it, you can see that the new product has been created. You can now go into its details and edit it further if required. Line items can be grouped together to create one line item from several. Only the top line item will be displayed to the customer on his quote or invoice. Any items underneath will be for your internal use only. Select the items you want to group and click on the Group Items button. The structure has changed with a new item called Grouped Items. Edit its name to reflect what you want the customer to see for this line item. This quote can now be sent. Click on Mail Merge as we've done before. Then select Quote and the customer to receive this quote. You'll see a list of quotes and invoices to choose from. You can now see that the sundry item line is rolled into a single line item for the customer here. Underneath are your own 3 line items that the customer does not see. To remove items from the rolled up item back to the top level, simply pick them up and drag them to the correct level, as shown. That ends our introduction to quotes and invoices. There's a second video that goes into this subject in much greater depth. The second video is aimed more at the administration side, creating templates, etc. Thank you for listening, and we hope you found this short video interesting.